Hello folks, Geraldine here, broker with Mahood Team Remax Twin City. Welcome back to Country Hills West. We've got a raised bungalow in a family-friendly neighbourhood. Please be my guest. Welcome to this nicely maintained and updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, nestled in a warm and welcoming community with great schools, walking trails, parks, public transportation and shopping just a short walk away. You've gotta love the open concept kitchen, living room and dining room with island, lots of pantry space and coffered ceilings, along with convenient walkout to the deck, from the kitchen to the fully fenced yard. Downstairs, the fully finished basement includes oversized windows, a cosy gas fireplace and a separate entrance through the garage, making it perfect for extended family living or future in-law suite potential. Thanks a million for joining me on the tour. If you're an investor or a first-time buyer, this one's just shouting out duplex. What are you waiting for? Call me and have yourselves a grand day.
Cheers.